Remember since earlier, like, you know, the water is coming from a different angle that didn't.
Yeah, I'm looking at the, there's the hills like it did the other day. It's clear. That was not right. Because I'm going to throw that fucking blanket over here. There's no hail, you know?
But the rain that did make it into a tornado is not even into the leftovers.
There you go, free rain.